Hi guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. Thanks so much for being here. So for this week, with yesterday being Cinco de Mayo, I thought it'd be really fun to do like a Southwest Mexican food style lunch meal prep. So I'm going to be doing a stuffed chicken, which I love stuffed chicken and I haven't done stuffed chicken in a while. So I'm gonna do a Southwest style stuffed chicken. So good. I have my chicken and I have this Southwestern style street corn. So it already has some peppers and onions and everything in it, and it was just in the frozen section. So super easy. I'm gonna put that in the chicken, as well as some black beans, some fajita seasoning, cheddar cheese, and then you guys know I always like to have a side of veggies, so I'm going to do Brussels sprouts for my veggies for this week. So this is gonna be a delicious lunch meal prep, super healthy, you guys, high in protein, super easy. You know all my recipes are easy, healthy, simple, quick. So meal prepping does not have to be difficult, you guys. It can be totally easy. I love it because I just love having all my food ready for the week. I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna make for lunch. I could just pull out the container from the fridge, heat it up, and I'm good to go. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of meal prepping motivation for you guys. So I'm going to get this lunch all made up. I'm gonna do my stuffed chicken and my Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna bake the chicken in the oven. So I have my oven preheated right now to 350 degrees. So I will get this all going and have it ready for the week. So I'm gonna use 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to fly them open, and then I'm going to cut it in half. So each day, the portion will be half of the chicken breast. These are really big chicken breasts. So I'm gonna fly it open and then cut it in half, and then that way it is all ready to have everything stuffed inside. I like to cut it before I stuff it because once I stuff it, everything just like starts falling out like crazy. So I cut it first so that I don't have to worry about cutting it once it's all filled and making even more of a mess than I normally make. So I'm just flying it open, cutting in half, and then I'm gonna add in all of the fillings for the stuffed chicken. So I just love anything kind of Southwest style. Southwest flavors are so awesome. So I'm really glad I found this Southwest corn and pepper mix. It is really good. So I'm going to put a spoonful in the center of each chicken of the corn mixture, and then a spoonful of black beans, and then some shredded cheddar cheese as well. And then these will be so good cooked with all of this yummy stuff on the inside. So super easy, you guys. I'm just gonna fill all of these up. So I'm gonna bake these in the oven. My oven is preheating right now to 350 degrees. But so they're just gonna bake in the oven with the side of Brussels sprouts, which I love cooking everything together. Makes everything so much easier. So I'm gonna close up the chicken breast and I'm gonna secure it with a toothpick so that all of the filling doesn't fall out. So I definitely made a bit of a mess trying to get as much as I could in there, but that's fine. You guys know if you've been around my channel, I kind of make messes here and there, but it happens. So I'm just gonna secure each one and then they'll be ready to go. I'm gonna use a Pyrex dish to bake these in the oven. So I have them in my Pyrex dish and I'm going to add on a little bit of olive oil on top of the chicken. And then I'm gonna sprinkle it with some fajita seasoning. It's gonna give it some awesome flavor and definitely is perfect with all the Southwest flavors in this chicken. I'm gonna add in my Brussels sprouts. So I just buy them already trimmed and cut in half. It's super easy. And so I'm just gonna put those on the side, add olive oil and some seasoning. And then this is all ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna bake it for about 28 to 30 minutes. And then this will be all ready for lunch for the week. All right, so my Southwest stuffed chickens all done with the Brussels sprouts. So super easy cooking it all in one pan, which I love. Totally helps with cleanup as well. So I'm gonna portion it onto my meal prep container so that lunch is all ready to go for the week, for each day. So I'm gonna put my chicken in, my Brussels sprouts, and I am so excited for this delicious and healthy lunch for this week. All right, so lunch is all ready to go for the week. This was so quick and easy, you guys. I hope this gives you a little bit of motivation to do some meal prepping. I'm gonna put up on the side right here, I have a playlist of all of my lunch meal prep videos. So check out this playlist if you need some lunch meal prep motivation. Tons of these recipes can also be good for dinner also. So thanks so much for being here. I'll see you guys all next time. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.